I know it's very late, and I actually do not know how to put what I'm feeling into words to support you all. I will try my best, okay? These days, the energy is very intense. If you are those people, empath, very sensitive, you might feel this wave, this energy just moving through you. But before through you, it has to be in you. You have to alchemize it and transmute and alchemize and realize and understand that when you can use words to describe that, that moment complete this transformation or alchemy stage. But I want to share with you guys this feeling if you are also going through right now and you know that you are not alone. These days, the energy, this is one of the strongest wave that I haven't felt for a long time. You know, sometimes you always ask, is this over? Is there more? How can we handle more? You know, you almost feels like you give all of it. And seems never stopping and always coming. I always say we are already in the in-between stage. You know, from a year half ago, I was we already leading into this in-between stage. And this is the stage you really lose yourself, that you are literally pick up in the middle of the, air, that you cannot touch the ground right now. And you do not know when and where you're going to land. And thus there's a lot of, uncertainty. There's no better words for me to even describe it, because it's not just uncertainty. It's just this unsure, unknowing when is the turning point, okay? You cannot see this turning point right now. And many of you might don't have the passion for the things you're doing. I mean, like the zest, like you're still passionate. You know what you're passionate about. But everything happening in life is almost make you so tired. You're like, I know I'm doing my best. I know I'm doing good thing. But why still almost things are still so tangled? And you're like, come on, universe, what else I could do to make this easier? And how hard it gonna get, right? Almost to the point is like, you kick your feet in the air. It's like, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. I don't know what else I could do. I give you all I have. Now what? And then a lot of time you're not motivated to create more. It's almost like I can barely maintain what I have. Now you ask me to create more things. It's almost impossible. So I feel like myself was deeply, I'm still kind of in it, you know. I feel like I don't know whether I went through the worst part, but I know that if I am in this deep pit hole, moving out, and there might be so many of you all there also going through this right now. Even though I'm actually don't feel like I want to post this video, but I still gonna make myself post it, because I think it's so important to let other people know that you are not alone. And sometimes we have to show up, right? Not only show up for myself, but I show up for the people who are in this together. And if we can talk about these things, then maybe we'll get out sooner. So that's the reason why I'm sharing here. And this video obviously get a little bit longer because my brain was not fully well organized, but I am going to accept myself. So, and also I did a YouTube live last couple days ago. I don't even know what day now. That I would suggest you to, actually Monday, today is Wednesday, Monday, that I described that feeling even deeper. It was 30 minutes. So if you want to go tap into a little bit deeper of what's the energy feel like, feel free to check that video. And also just have an announcement is I send out the invitation for the readers. Doesn't matter you are, tarot card reader, channeler, trance channeler, akashic reading, oracle reading, crystal reading, tea leaf reading, whatever the reading on you use, nothing, just read it. I want to invite this reader to join me to do a collective reading, not a collective, do serious collective reading to help us to navigate this hard time. It's this really, really hard time. We have a big breakthrough, but we don't know whether we can break through yet because we are breaking it. So it is either break you or you're gonna break through it. So we are in this together, and hanging there. I know it's not easy. Actually, this is actually really depressing and really sad. I feel this sadness, almost like your body have to, another layer of you have to die, and to welcome the new layer coming out, but which is not easy. So hanging there. I love you guys. Reach out or comment and let me know what's some ascension symptoms you guys have, and what's going on in your mind, how you feel in your body. We are in this together. Okay, love you.